Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Telemedicine isn't new, but this is. A startup called Zipnostic is looking to transform medical house calls. It has created a kit that gets brought to a home by a technician that enables a physician to remotely perform an exam via telemedicine. They've begun trials in New York City, and founder Dr. Ukrainsky says the kit uses a secure connection to the doctor and
we're able to take all the vitals, temperature, blood pressure, heart rate, actually pulse oximetry. We also have our proprietary digital camera that allows us general intra-oral ear and eye examination, and also dermatologic examination.
EKGs can be performed as well. There are plans to expand availability, and you can find more info at Zipnostic.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.